Linguine with chicken ragu is a flavorful and satisfying dish that's sure to impress your guests. Here's a delicious recipe. Ingredients: 1 pound linguine pasta, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 onion, finely chopped, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken thighs, chopped into small pieces, 1 can, 28 ounces, crushed tomatoes, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried basil, 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes, adjust to taste, salt and black pepper to taste, grated Parmesan cheese for serving, chopped fresh basil for garnish, optional. Instructions: cook the linguine pasta according to the package instructions in a large pot of salted boiling water until al dente. Drain the pasta, reserving about 1/2 cup of the pasta water, and set aside. In a large skillet or Dutch oven, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and sauté for 2–3 minutes until it becomes translucent. Add the minced garlic to the skillet and cook for an additional minute until fragrant. Add the chopped chicken thighs to the skillet and cook, stirring occasionally, until the chicken is browned on all sides. Pour in the crushed tomatoes, dried oregano, dried basil, red pepper flakes, salt, and black pepper. Stir well to combine all the ingredients. Reduce the heat to low and let the chicken ragu simmer for about 15–20 minutes, stirring occasionally, allowing the flavors to meld together and the sauce to thicken slightly. If the sauce becomes too thick, you can add a little bit of the reserved pasta water to adjust the consistency. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning if needed. Once the sauce is ready, add the cooked linguine pasta to the skillet with the chicken ragu. Toss the pasta gently in the sauce until it's well coated. Serve the linguine with chicken ragu hot, garnished with grated Parmesan cheese and chopped fresh basil if desired. This robust and flavorful dish pairs wonderfully with a side salad and crusty bread. Your guests are sure to enjoy this hearty and comforting meal.